Hey guys, this is Richelle at Donley Ford and Shelby. I am so excited to share this with you. I just discovered in this 2020 Lincoln Navigator, which is beautiful by the way, I just discovered there is a little compartment just for your car chapstick. It's amazing. So nobody steals it, right there. Or if you're using that for something else, don't worry, we got you covered. Right here is another little compartment. This also has wireless charging pad and a handy dandy little holder for your phone. So you can watch the kids in the back. Hey kids, quit yelling back there. Sorry, Mom. Brother kicked the seat. I did not. Yes, he did too. It also has leather interior. It has the heads-up display, navigation, heated front and second row, cooled front seats. It has the heated steering wheel. It has a plethora of safety features on here. There are so many options on this vehicle, not to mention the twin panel moonroof. Come take a look. It is 249 Mansfield Avenue, Shelby, Ohio. And as always, don't forget to ask for Shell, because you can buy it from me here at Donley and Shelby. Come take a look. I'll see you soon.